right, we're live. We got Mr. Stocklock Profits, PookiesRevenge. This is our weekly recap. My music came on in the background. That was super loud. Sorry. All right, so hopefully you guys can see the screen. Hopefully you can hear both myself and Mr. Stocklock Profits.
Testing. You guys hear us?
Did we pass the test?
Yes, we did. I think that the silence proved the point.
All right, perfect. That's all I care about. Give me 1 second. I have to get the link for our friend Debo here. It is on YouTube as well as Twitch. Grab that link as well. Everybody's set up here. I don't know if anyone uses Twitch anymore. But if we're ever, for whatever reason, if we lose our YouTube channel again because they're crazy, you guys can always see us on Twitch for the live streams as well. So there's those.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Yeah. What's beautiful?
Thank you so much for that, for sharing those links.
Oh, thank you. You're welcome. So first and foremost, we got some big news today, right? We got the it's the member loyalty program / referral system / everything else. So here's our portal, right? Let me just make that full screen. So when you go to the portal, I'll just walk you guys through the whole thing. This is actually an opportunity for everybody to make money without having to trade. So if you're paper trading and you're looking to offset some of that cost, or if you're just looking for some extra cash or credit, I should say, you just go to our website, pbalerts.com. You hit sign up here. I already have an account, so I can't sign up. But there's an option here to sign up straight with your Discord. So if you're in our Discord, just do that. It'll bring you to the authorization page. You just got to hit authorize. It'll take me just a second here. It takes a minute because the Discord API is slow and my computer's lagging because I'm streaming. Pretty little loading screen, and then it brings you here. This is your dashboard. The alerts, we have stock alerts and options alerts, which I kind of walked through before. You guys aren't going to see the admin tab. You're not going to see you'll see a support tab, but you won't see all the stuff that I can. But that's where you can also open up support tickets and stuff if you need help. So if we go to the stock alerts tab really quick, you're not going to see the alerts buttons, obviously, because you guys aren't shot callers. Taking just a second here because my internet is trash at the moment. And Lee just ran away from us. So here's the alerts. So you see we got some little charts over here. It's all pretty. There's some advanced search options here. You can just see open alerts. You can just see like crypto, for example. I don't think we have any in here right now because of the way the system's set up. But if you're just looking for day trades, you can make sure that just this one's checked. If you're just looking for stuff by Amy, you can make sure just this one's checked. You can also specify a price range. So if I just want to see stocks that are between $5 and $20 that are still open, bam, right? Makes life easy.
Very clean. You get chart there, you get the alerts, everything looks so clean there. I wonder who did this.
It was not me. If you click the name of the ticker or on the chart here, it opens up FinViz in a new tab. So we'll eventually have our own metric system and charting and all that good stuff. But for now, brings you right to it. So when you're doing your DD at the end of the night, you can filter through really quickly and determine what you want to add to a watch list and what you just want to ignore, because we don't need to take all the trades. So back to the news of the day.
Yes, the big news, the big announcement that we have.
It's huge. So when you log in, on the right side here, you're going to see this. It should be expanded, but if it's not, just click on that and it'll expand it out. We have a new referral program. I made an announcement earlier today. It was a little bit ahead of schedule, apparently. I wasn't supposed to. I had to make sure everything was all tested first, but I kind of spilled the beans.
Kind of ruined the surprise a little bit.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
But the cool part is that you guys all get to see it. And if you're in the Discord, you got to see it first. So it basically just works like this. When you have an account with our portal, it doesn't matter if you're a free or a premium member, you get a referral code. You can give that to people if you'd like. Or what's easier, you can just click this referral link right here to go to the page, or you can just hit copy link and it'll copy it to your clipboard. And then when you go send it to your friend or whoever, your family, your coworker, if they join premium, you get referral points. They get $5 off at checkout right then and there. So you don't even need to use one of our codes. You just give them your own personal code. And if they sign up, you get paid. You get a credit that you can redeem for discounts on your subscriptions and stuff, or any product that you want, basically. So it's a pretty easy way to make some passive income.
Yeah.
even if you're not trading or if you are aggressively trading and you're making a killing, it's just extra cash. So it's pretty good. Everyone can do it. You just slap it on your social if you want, or if you don't have social or you don't feel like blasting stock stuff all over, just casually mention it, and then boom, it's an extra couple bucks here and there, and it adds up pretty quick.
I mean, yeah, it does add up, man. That's free money right there just to refer people over to our Discord. And I mean, it's amazing, right? To get, I mean,
this requires
you're gonna already want to send people to our Discord because we're all amazing people here. But just that now you can get paid for doing it,
right?
So that's amazing.
Exactly. I wish we could just prorate everybody.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, there's we already have a lot of interest in this, and that's one of the reasons we implemented it. We've gotten a lot of back and forth with members, a lot of direct messages and tickets and things where they refer a whole bunch of members, and the quantities that they're referring would easily be enough to offset their premium altogether. So they could literally just be here for free just by bringing people in. So just another route that you can take if you're maybe a little bit strapped on cash, or maybe you're saving up for a down payment or something on a house and you don't want to spend as much cash up front.
Then we should be seeing thousands of members coming in if they need a down payment within a couple of weeks.
Yeah. And best part, if you're a free member and you've been kind of on the fence about joining premium and you're just maybe that price is a little bit too high for you, that's okay. The free section is there for you. We don't discriminate. But if you're looking to offset that, you could do this very easily. Just copy, and then you could just send it to people you work with who maybe have a mutual distaste for your boss or something. Send it to your boss. We'll talk to him. We'll write you a note. We'll get you out of it. So that's the big news for today as far as the Pennybois goes. How's your day in the market? SPY's been weird.
SPY's been like in a channel, right? I mean, it was a little bit tougher to play if you're someone that didn't have all day long just to watch the chart, right? I mean, if you're someone that just likes to play like once it gets a trend for the day, then play into that, then that's a bit easier. But today it was just a bit funky. It was we had the push at the beginning of the day, and then we had sideways motion pretty much the rest of the day.
Yeah, I know we didn't really get to trade a whole lot, but we were chatting about it earlier, and it just did not do what we anticipated. It was kind of funny to watch.
Yes, for real. I think I mean, we played SPY and we actually killed it. I think Austin killed it too. Big Quench killed it. James did some. I did some. And then we had Amajama killing it with those Tesla profits that were just outrageous. Yeah. The Tesla was one that played really the opposite of the market today. I feel like, we're still red closing SPY, but we had Tesla push green by the middle of the day. So it kind of didn't go along with SPY and the other indexes today. It was a nice push.
Well, that's that's a leading indicator too, though, is when a bigger company ticker like this, Tesla does this quite a bit. When it starts to diverge away from SPY and they stop behaving the same, that tells us there's typically some sort of strength in the setup. So that's always a good thing to look for as well. So if you ever have them side by side, it's always worth keeping an eye on it as a benchmark. And then again, when you see it kind of behaving abnormally, when it starts to get rabies, watch it. Right? You want to watch something that has rabies.
Then you may want to go to a physician for medical attention.
Right.
Get a hold we can't give you that here. We wish we could, but you can see by the chart. You can see by the chart it's a little bit different. It did push a little bit higher than the overall market.
Right here. That was different. And then right here, this whole area right here.
And the very beginning, that big push. SPY had a push, but not as high as Tesla did. Tesla went green. And SPY just kind of flickered between green and red.
Yeah, I did get a kick out of this too. You know how James always loves his $12, the number 12 with SPY, and he's always
because that's what it says. Like the maximum it can go up or down in a day is normally at about 12 points, right?
That's exactly what it did. It went from 385 down to 373. That's 12. That was dead on, right?
9 times out of 10, it works just like that. Yep.
Yeah, that's good stuff. I liked it. I had a good time. I was able to look a little bit at the market today. I haven't been able to because I've been busy lately with building out stuff on the website and trying to do a lot of stuff behind the scenes. But I did get to pay attention to HGen today, so that was good. Didn't get to trade it this morning because I was sleeping like a baby, and by that I mean I was rolling around crying and waking up every 2 hours. But it was good to see this kind of this quick bounce, right? Because the company still has a lot of potential. We know when we get these hard sell-offs on bad data, we just got to wait, right? It's not so much jump in face first right now, but it was definitely a good opportunity for a small piece. I think, what did you say? I added around 64 cents, I think it was. I don't remember when you.
My average is
here,
like
right?
67. My average is after I average down a little bit.
Yeah.
My average is like around 67, maybe 66. But
yeah,
I mean, I'm only in about 30%, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
And yeah, I'm just gonna sit back and wait for it to start kind of stabilizing, right? And we start to see it form a base, and then once it starts pushing back up, we can add into that momentum.
Absolutely.
There was definitely volume there. Like there was some nice little pushes in the day. But normally when this kind of happens with data readout, there's normally like a 3-day rule, to be honest with you, and that's after the 3 days you should see a base form and maybe some more buying volume coming in.
Absolutely. And that's just so bearish, right? People are still getting the news as we speak. It's like the internet just works like that. You got 10,000 new people discovering the same thing like every second, right? So it's going to take some time for that bearishness to wear off, and then for buyers to find more confidence and start stepping in. And then when that happens, you'll see more and more confidence. So it also will flow back in. But the worst thing we could possibly do is just jump in and hope we're right by trying to catch a bottom. So we just like to sit back and wait. This will probably be something that we'll look at again next week. Again, I just added a small piece today. I do have the PBU account that is in this. We got in at 64 cents. I added a pretty sizable position in this one, but that is more to demonstrate how that strategy works. It's not for aggressive trading. So so far so good. It works really good on that strategy, and I think I was able to reduce the average on that, the would-be average, an additional like 30% or something. I got a nice little discount on that just by waiting. So even with that strategy, just waited a little bit longer and got a nice low average on that. So it was pretty good. I like it.
Yeah, I mean, what do you think? I mean, this is mostly about market recap, right? But I mean, we saw that today, and we saw the CPI numbers come in hot again.
Yeah.
Now, and then we also had the inverse Kramer over here when he says bottom is in. Normally, technically means that it's probably going to make a new low.
Yeah.
So kind of what do you think about the market going forward after seeing these inflation numbers? Now, do you think we're going to raise rates higher, more aggressive again? Or do you think this is topped out?
Man, I didn't study for this test.
I'm sorry, man, but this is kind of like what Duck does for us, right? Duck likes to put us on the spot, so I'm just learning from him.
How about that Williams percent indicator?
Yeah, may want to take it up with him how I learned this.
Yeah, no, it's again, this is just one more in a series of kind of necessary evils, right? So I think the market was anticipating this. I think we're going to see some uncertainty, probably hard sell off tomorrow, right? Because it's Friday.
I think so.
Or not Friday. Jeez,
is it Friday?
Sell off into Friday. Sorry, my week's a blur. But yeah, I mean, there's a lot of uncertainty in the market right now. I think that the first 3 days of this week are good setups for hard sell-off and traps into the weekend, and then next week I think we'll see some pretty solid green. But rather than try to anticipate and forecast and hope we're right, we can just wait and see what happens and trade what we're given in the meantime when there's that uncertainty in the market. And that's kind of what I've been doing. I haven't really been I haven't been aggressively building too much in my larger account because I just want to see where the bottom actually is. In the meantime, I'm just kind of getting in and out of these smaller trades and just locking in profits and staying mostly cash because that's where the short-term profit is. And then I just take that over, and it'll be that much more capital to put into those better investments later on when I know where the bottom is.
Yeah, you want to, you know what? Let me see here. Boom, 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 bam. Okay. Now, I want you to, if you want to take a look at a trade, Down 72% after hours. It's CFRX.
Oh, okay. We've
Yeah, they're down.
before.
They had some phase 3 disrupt study They had to stop it, I suppose.
Ooh.
They recommend stopping the trial. So we're down here 72% after hours on this. I don't know if we can maybe get a trade out of this. We shall look at this on the side.
We got the new 30-second
time
frame.
That 30-second right there?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Let's see what that does.
Whoa, I just opened TradingView and all those alarms just went off from the trade signals channel. Just so first thing I'm going to look for is metrics, right? I want to see outstanding shares, free float, just to see how the stock's going to behave. Obviously, there is an aggressive sell-off here. It looks like it's finding some support on inconsistent volume. So let me just pull this up.
Trying to see what phase this was. Fast track. Which one was this? Let's have a look.
I'll just pull this over here real quick.
This was following interim analysis. They recommend stopping it. Let's see.
Okay, I'll be the judge of that.
I'm trying to see what trial it is because they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different trials with different drugs that they're working on.
Okay.
This one, the only one I see phase 3. It says phase 3 is one of them. The other ones are in phase 1,
disrupt study,
preclinical, and I don't see that.
Exabicase, some sort of enzyme, I assume. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't even see it. I see one here, fast track breakthrough therapy. That's in phase 3 with that company. But anything else, I see phase 1, preclinical, and discovery.
Yeah. I was going to say, it looks like, just from a company standpoint, it looks at a glance like this is good potential, right? They got a nice, it's not low float, but it's not high. It's not even moderate float. It's just kind of, it's on the lowish end. Good institutional backing so far. They got a good current ratio, quick ratio. So they probably have decent cash on hand. So let's go to the website there. It looks like it's this Exabicase. I don't know how to pronounce that. Looks like this one. It's a licensed with potent activity against staph. So good. It's an antibacterial treatment. So let's take a look here.
Yeah, I'm on the website. I mean,
okay. Clinical trials right here, so we can see the specifics of the study.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. So primary completion date was set to September 30th, so they didn't get that far. Okay, let's just take a look here. Okay. So 12-year-old and older, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So it looks like they're looking for actively infected patients. 72 locations. That's a pretty big study. Looks like they're still recruiting as of the last update anyway.
So there's like an independent company that recommends them to stop the study. That's not like FDA or anyone saying to stop it. That was just an independent company. And you can see on their pipeline, they have a few different things. I don't know kind of how this will play out, but it will definitely be interesting because this is like all-time low for them.
Yeah, what's this vote situation they had coming up? Or no, they already had it. Okay. All right. Yeah. So they didn't have anything like terrible. So that's good. Just employee stock purchases and the change of update of their independent registered public accounting firm. So that doesn't take effect yet anyways. All right, cool. So I don't see any major red flags just yet. Let's just glance through these. We're not looking for like a lifetime commitment here. We're just looking for a quick trade, I bet.
Well, we're looking for like 100% move. That's why the people have shown up for this market recap.
Yeah. You guys,
right,
let me know in the chat.
Yeah. 100% move we need right here. Right back up.
Okay.
To $2.50. That's more than 100%.
Let's do it. Let's. I don't see any volume on this thing. We'll look at the 10-second chart.
Here we go.
This is not.
It's a lot of volume right there, bud. Don't lie.
Is it this 7K volume?
There's nothing there. I don't know if people just haven't seen this one yet, and you know, this news just hit right now. But you can see time and sales. There's some people eating it up at 72 cents.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, I'm picking up what you're putting down.
Yeah, man. I don't think it's a bad idea. Definitely one to watch tomorrow.
Yeah, for sure. Just don't think it got the highlight that it deserves right now.
Right. Yep. So that's that one.
Okay. Sorry.
As for the movers, like top gainers after hours, there's nothing really going on. There's a couple of stocks that are up 10%, but I'm sure it's very low volume. So
yeah. TVPH here. That's 200K volume.
It's moving. Oh,
it's falling down. That's what it's doing.
We played this one in the past too. I remember this one.
Yeah.
It's funny how I remember all the stocks that we played. It's just all in my head. So
look at that.
Yeah, I remember having a good time with this one.
Look at this beautiful double bottom into a retest and then bam. I like charts like that. It's beautiful. Can you just give us like a bunch more like that?
I would hope I could find them. But I also need that Pookie indicator to help me. So how much do I have to pay for that indicator?
You can work it off. Don't worry about it.
I can work it off. Okay.
Yeah, you can work it off.
All right.
Well, it's not going to do you a whole lot of good on this sub-dollar 30-second chart where it's moved less than 1 cent. Oh, no, it's moved 3 cents. My bad. If you join Lifetime, you can have access to it right now. You guys
trying to sign me up for Lifetime?
No.
Is that what you said?
No.
Oh, that one fell all the way back down again. Yeah, that's some low volume
Bitcoin?
there. No, TBPH.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it came down.
That was a wild ride on that one.
That one was like a in and out kind of thing, you know? Probably a bunch of bag holders just selling.
Yeah. Just living in the moment. Not a phone in sight. Yeah. So I'll hit the. I just like to watch this. I'm sorry.
Oh yeah, this is cool, guys. This is real cool to see.
Yeah, it's just fun to watch.
We had that dump off in the morning for Bitcoin just because of the CPI numbers. It was hotter than expected, but then it rebounded really nice today. I think it moved like up $600-700. Bitcoin did.
Yeah, that's a good run today.
Is this right now in the morning?
It's a few days ago, July 12th.
What time does Bitcoin run on? Like, what time zone? Because whenever I look at times, whenever I'm on Webull looking at Bitcoin, it's always at a different time than the actual current time. Isn't that weird? It's like I go there. It's so weird, but it must be on a different time zone. Has anyone had that problem before? I've had that problem.
What do you mean it's on a different time zone?
Like I go to Bitcoin on my Webull.
Yeah.
Let me see. Okay. And right now, like if I look at the chart,
this
and
part
I
right
go
here?
to the nearest one, it says 8:30 p.m.
Yeah, that's UTC.
Okay.
It's 4 hours ahead of us.
So it's not on my time zone. I prefer Eastern.
You can, I think you could change that to. I know you can for stocks. You can change the locale.
Well, it's changed for all my stocks. It's just not changed for the Bitcoin one. It's really weird.
Well, you're gonna have to talk to a manager.
Yep. Let me talk to that customer service. Huh?
Weird. Yeah. No. Yeah. That's
open a ticket. Get back to me next year.
They might.
But yeah, with all their updates every day, I mean, you know, they're very busy people.
Bam.
Oh, I think we have Big Quench in the house going to tell us about that referral program.
Oh, hey, Dad. Also, Lee, really quick, just to correct that, you can go to your settings right here.
Okay.
And go to General and just change it to your time zone. And then it'll automatically sync it to your time zone and not UTC.
I bet I've done that already. Let me see. Oh, it just says exchange time zone.
Yeah.
Look at me over here. Perfect. That's nice. Thank you so much for that.
You're welcome. Thank me for my service.
Yeah.
What's up, Austin? How's it going? Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah, her world's falling apart, man.
Better make another one.
A lot of trauma there.
You already are.
Oh.
That's it.
Yeah. We're talking about those delicious referrals. Yeah.
Yeah. Like sales.
Yeah.
I like how he sells things, and I don't even know about them. That's amazing.
How does it
Fantastic.
feel?
Can't wait. I really can't wait. Yeah, of course. I'm always available for you.
Is that Lee? You don't want to help people?
Don't make me look bad. Oh god, that's nice. That's perfect.
Really quick, I'm gonna go ahead and end the YouTube and Twitch live stream,
Yeah.
unless you're able to jump in, Austin. This was only supposed to be like a 20-minute stream.
Yeah.
Oh no! Oh, way to go, Debo! You scared him off. I'm just kidding.
He's done.
All right. So
Alrighty.
Debo, way to make it all about you, man. I'm just kidding. No, he was just saying that the alert, the referral system here was a great way to kind of offset the costs, or if you just want to do that and you're able to do it successfully and you get enough people, then he's willing to have a discussion about just doing that.
Sales.
Yeah. So it's good times. A lot of opportunity here, guys.
Maybe that. And now you get a free one-on-one, I suppose.
First 50 people. No,
oh god, I should have known. I should have known it was too good to be true, and then he just wanted to add me into that with a free one-on-one.
He's trying to make sure you get the cardio.
Yeah, and if I'm not available, like if I'm accidentally on vacation or something, I will pass it along to Pookie to cover me. So.
Yeah, and if for any reason my internet's not working, I'll pass it on to Nikki.
Yeah, and then Lily, because I see Lily's in the house now, so we might as well add her into that too.
Debo made it. All right, I am going to end the live stream here, so I'll see you guys next time. Please join us in Discord; it's fun, but we'll continue this in Discord.
Bye. Okay, bye guys.